Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video and we'll be looking at Fly Higher Nova. He's an EA, expert advisor, and you've probably seen it floating around with some pretty bold claims. So let's dig into what the developer is actually showing on their page and break it down like a trader looking at the product. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. First up, the strategic claim. On the official side, they call it a multi-currency hedge scalper that trades with the trend. You can see here, strategize hedge scalper to trade with the trend. They say it runs on the 15-minute time frame and adapts to market changes. The core pitch is that it uses advanced calculations to open and manage trades automatically, placing stop loss and take profits levels right away according to its own strategy, then trails those levels. And the lot size can be fixed by you or calculated automatically based on your capital, equity, and margin. The emphasis is fully hands free, works on any currency pair, any broker, any account type, and just sits inside your terminal for MT4. Emphasize no experience needed, that you can just plug and play it. Also push the 20% or more average minimum weekly returns line and claim over 5,000 active users across 180 countries. That's the full story they put out there. No detailed indicator list, no specific entry rules beyond trade with the trend, no filters mentioned for news or volatility, and no public backtests or live verified signals linked on the page itself. It's presented as a trend following hedge scalper that handles the entries, exits, and position sizing for you. Now, here's the part I have to be straight with you. There is no demo backtest provided by the developer, and no public verified live trackers or my FX book style results linked from the site. The only performance number they put forward are those average minimum weekly return claims and the user count figure. When you look at the description itself, multi-pair hedge scalper on the 15 minutes chart with automatic loss sizing and recovery style trailing. The reward behavior that usually follows systems like this is higher trade frequency, position stacking when price moves against the first entry, and equity calls that can look smooth for a while until a strong trend or news event hits. Historical performance of similar hedge and trade approaches tend to show periods of steady gains interrupted by deeper drawdown once the market stops ranging. The spreads, slippage, and broker conditions matter a lot on the 15-minute time frame with multi-pair activity. Without transparent rules or verified forward results, it's hard to quantify the edge beyond when the marketing states. If we go over to its price, we can see a 12 months subscription for $350, the discount from $400. We have the enterprise plan for $3,000 from with a discount from $5,000. And the lifetime, that is $500 with a discount from $580. It seems the company is based in the UK and they have a contact us form and WhatsApp. Okay. Now my realistic take. This is marketed as a plug and play trend hedge scalper for the traders who want zero daily decision making. It's aimed at people comfortable with the risk that come with recovery style systems and higher trade frequency. Let me prefer clean single trade logic, fixed weeks per trade, and verified live result before putting money behind an EA. This EA, the Fly Higher Nova, doesn't give you that transparency. Historical performance claims like the ones on the site should always be treated as marketing until independent data appears. Now, if you feel like you have the funds to spend on an EA and test, that is good. If not, I'll probably avoid not getting into what you can't test. And that's the full picture based on everything the developer puts forward. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robots you want me to look at next. And don't forget to grab that free MT4 and MT5 robots with the built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, trade safe. As always, I'll see you in the next video.